Alright, we're going to do a quick little unboxing. This time it's going to be on my Canon Rebel T8i kit that I got. My wife knew that I wanted this for a long time, so she surprised me with getting me this camera. Got it for me from Best Buy, which I didn't need the full kit, I just needed the body, but I'm definitely glad that it came with the lens, because my previous camera, which was the T3i, when I got rid of it and sold it to somebody else, it was nice to include a lens, because I wanted to keep most of my lens, so at least I just didn't want to sell it with a body just to somebody else. So my T3i definitely worked great. There was a little bit pros and cons to it. Didn't have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or nothing like that. Didn't do 4K. This one does 4K, even though it does have a crop. This is not the only camera I have that does 4K. I had a G7X Mark III, and that wasn't the greatest, so I got rid of that one and ended up getting the Sony ZV-1, and that's my go-to camera. That's the camera I use the majority of the time. This one I use for more portraits and stuff like that. For my unboxing videos, I use my ZV-1. I also have a GoPro Hero 9 that I use for most of my do-it-yourself videos, as far as repairing car videos. That way, if I drop it, as you've seen in one of my videos, my Wrangler video, I dropped it. But GoPros are really meant to take a beating. Steph also got me a warranty with this one, which is definitely greatly appreciated. I forget how many years, but it was definitely a good thing, because we have a young kid, so we definitely are always in the risk of having it knocked over or whatnot with having kids. But all in all, I normally take care of my stuff, so, but it was just an added bonus that she got me a warranty with it also. Now there, you've seen the lens, you've seen the battery, you've seen me pull out the camera. There's the lens that I came with, the 18-55, which is standard for any kit that you normally get. Little charger and a battery, and the camera strap. I of course kept my camera strap on. I'm still debating whether I want to have it on or have it off. Let me know what you guys think. But also got more batteries. Having more batteries is definitely a plus. I ended up going to Amazon and getting some, but Canon ones are always more reliable, but you know, they have a heftier price tag, so I always go to Amazon and get their batteries. Of course, anything you get off of Amazon, read the reviews. Now on this one, it does have a different on and off button as far as a separate camera, or should I say separate recording. So when you want to record, you go all the way up, on and off. It has a screen that pulls out, and I always like that, because I don't like the stationary screen. I always want to, you definitely want to have an articulating screen, that way you can do your vlogging type videos and stuff like that. Also put this together with my Rode mic that I have. I have the Rode Go mic, and they also work perfect. So there you have it, quick little unboxing video. Hope you guys like that. Remember, give thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys.